bam, welcome back to the vlog channel. So this week my niece graduates and I want to make it super duper special for her. I want to try and do whatever I can. So this is what we're gonna do. First, we need to make her a poster. We need to make her a poster so it's popping, and when we're cheering her name or taking photos, it just beams Illeen Chavez, okay? Second, we need to make her a lei. Believe it or not, I did not know what a lei was. Me and my niece were in Walmart and she said she was gonna make some leis. I was like, what the heck is that? And she explained it to me and I was like, oh, okay. She said she was gonna make hers with candy and I was like, all right, I need to get on YouTube. I need to learn how to make this so I can make it very special for my niece. You guys know when I love somebody, I love hard, and I want to just express how much I love this person. We're gonna make the lei, okay? Looks kind of difficult, but I know it's possible. I know we can do it. So I'm going to make a lei and I'm going to use money. So yeah, it's gonna be exciting. Okay, third, I'm gonna try my hardest to get her favorite YouTuber Louis to do a shout out and send a message saying congratulations. And yeah, I think those are gonna be the three things that I'm gonna try my hardest to do. Fingers crossed, toes, tongue, anything that I can crossing all of those. Hopefully we can make them possible, because you guys know Illeen means so much to me. She is my baby. I love her so much. And I just want this day to be something that she will never forget, and I want her to know how much she's loved. So let's see if we can make those possible, and if we can't, monkey, I'm sorry, but I promise I am going to try. So yeah, this vlog is just gonna be about my niece. I'm gonna try and record everything. You guys know it's pretty hectic and I am pregnant, so sometimes I just want to be like, oh, and just like go in the corner and just freaking sleep. So yeah, okay, so I'm gonna be getting everything ready. I'll be recording everything because you know what, I'm going to try my hardest to make it possible, and I have a good feeling I can do it. I can do it. Okay, so tired as hell, Illeen, so you better freaking like this. See? Okay, almost done. Oh, he's right there. Hold on. Oh, it's Martin.
What's up, guys? What's up, Rudy?
His stomach's so cute. Oh, thank
you. You want my shirt? Hell yeah.
Okay. Well, Martin's gonna hold up your sign.
Okay.
No. Where's Illeen? I don't see you. Do I? Wait. Do you see us?
Oh, I see you.
Hold the sign up, Martin. Make it look all cool. And I'll stay close to Daddy. I just don't want her to see her lei.
What's that lei?
Okay, my turn for my gift.
like a word though.
Well, we're real quick.
Okay.
Look good. Oh, you like it? Love it too. Oh, look at. Oh, you look nice. Look at Illeen. Oh, I'm so happy. Oh, can I do something cool like? Oh, there you go. Okay, hold on. I know. I hope I can zoom all the way in. Okay, I can zoom in good. I'm gonna be loud, so you better scream. I forgot I didn't record my phone. I mean with my camera. I know. Hold it so I can put that on Illeen. Don't make me cry. Mine, really?
Double chin.
Where? Illeen, looking extra pretty. Oh, look at Henika.
Eli! Oh no! Is this yours? What?
Here you go.
What did he do?
He walked up there and was hugging her.
Oh. Oh, I forgot to get my Illeen. Hold on. Then.
I know.
Dun, 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 dun.
Gio. What are you gonna get? What are you gonna get, Andrew?
Some chicken. I took your whole
You didn't even want to like. You didn't want to open your whole.
I'm so hungry. She took all of David's stuff.
What is this?
Babe got, I think it's like a dressing.
What's it called? Tartar sauce.
No. And then we got the babies over there grubbing. Babies over here. And that's okay, guys, be quiet so Illeen can see this.
Bye, Alexis.
Bye. Sorry.
Bye, Noah. Hi.
Okay.
Am I gonna cry?
Bye, Noah.
See you later, alligator.
Bye, Noah. Okay, ready?
Okay.
Hey Illeen, oh my god, I'm
Hi.
so sorry, I'm so late, but girl, I still want to congratulate you on graduating. Yes, Bella, you did this.
Oh my god, I'm gonna cry.
Oh my god,
Oh, you like it? I'll send it to you. Oh, don't cry.
Hey Illeen, oh my god, I'm so sorry, I'm so late, but girl, I still wanted to congratulate you on graduating. Yes, Bella, you did this.